Moms, how did you get revenge on someone who hurt your child? So my daughter Bella is 7, right? She's got these big curls, tiny glasses, and the kind of sass that makes grown adults nervous. She's polite, sweet, until someone messes with her. Then she turns into a whole villain in pink Crocs. Anyway, a few months ago, she started acting weird after school, like quieter, not talking during dinner, not even touching her chicken nuggets, which is usually like DEFCON 1 in our house. I asked her if something happened, and she just shrugged. It's fine, mommy, but she said it in that way kids do when it's very much not fine. So I went full mom mode, showed up early to school, peeked through the car line, watched her on the playground. That's when I saw Harper. Harper is this other second grader. Looks like a Build-A-Bear, but talks like a villain in a Disney Channel movie. She's got a little clique of girls around her, and they all wear matching bows and act like they run the school. I watched Harper walk up to Bella, grab her glitter notebook, rip a page out, and laugh in her face. Bella didn't cry. She just picked up her stuff and sat alone on the swings. That broke me, so I went to the teacher. She was like, "Oh, we're aware of Harper. We've spoken to her parents." Girl, we are way past spoken to the parents. Now here's the thing. I'm not a confrontational mom, but I'm a creative mom, and I believe in teaching lessons. So it was time. Operation Sparkle Payback was born. I found out Harper's class was doing a talent show the next week, and guess who was doing a solo dance to shake it off? Yep, Miss Harper. I asked the teacher if parents could volunteer backstage, and she said yes. Mistake number 1. Day of the talent show, I show up with a volunteer badge and a smile so fake it could have been Botoxed. I brought snacks for the kids. Bella helped me make sparkle brownies, chocolate pink frosting, edible glitter. The kids were losing their minds. Even Harper was like, "These are so cute." I smiled and said, "They're dairy-free and extra sparkly, just like your soul." She didn't get the sarcasm. Now, here's where it gets fun. I might have added just a touch of black food coloring in Harper's brownie, just enough to stain her mouth purple. Lips, teeth, tongue, vampire realness. She didn't notice at first until she went on stage. The lights hit her, she started dancing, big smiles, the crowd was loving it. Then I heard the giggles start in the audience, kids pointing, whispers, then full-on laughter. Harper stopped mid-spin, confused. She turned to look backstage. One of the boys yells, "Why your teeth look like grape soda?" Harper burst into tears, ran off stage like she was escaping a burning building. Now before y'all come for me, no, I didn't poison her. It was literally just food dye. Harmless, but very effective. The principal called me the next day, said it was inappropriate and that I should have reported the bullying instead. I said, I did. Nothing changed, but Bella's smiling again, so I'm good. Bella came home that day and handed me a crayon drawing. It was a picture of me in a cape holding glitter brownies. She labeled it Mommy the Defender. Harper, she's still around, but now she's real quiet. And Bella, she's back to her usual self. Last week she told me, if anyone else tries anything, just give them the sparkle snack. And I swear, if that ain't parenting, I don't know what is.